Hi, I'm Joel Engardio with the American Civil Liberties Union. I'm here in Washington, D.C. at the ACLU membership conference, and I'm trying to figure out how does the typical ACLU member compare to the typical American when it comes to pop culture? So the first question is, what do these two men have in common? These two men, what do they have in common?
Well, they're both justices of the Supreme Court.
Good, excellent. And anything else they have in common?
Their first names are John.
They both named John.
Yes, they're both named. Yes. So now tell me, what do these two men have in common?
I don't really know. Are they both named John also?
No.
Harold?
They look like ACLU young activists. Are they both named John?
Oh, I know more about them. So these are the Davids from American Idol. And here's David Cook, who won, and David, rightfully so, and David Archuleta, who didn't win, which was a good call.
Very
yes.
impressive.
Thank you.
And can you identify the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? The Chief Justice. Very good. And what's his name?
John Roberts.
John Roberts, Chief Justice, Supreme Court.
Roberts.
Roberts. Very good. I want you to identify
Yeah.
the Chief Justice.
Oh, money.
Please identify the American Idol.
Oh, man. I have no idea who either of those are. But it's him, I think.
It's him. Okay, but
It is he,
okay.
right?
Who's the Chief Justice?
Mr. Roberts.
Mr. Roberts.
John
Now-
Roberts.
Now, does this guy have a name?
I'm sure he does.
What's the American Idol's name?
Oh, Mr. American. Mr. Idol.
No.
No. No.
Never watched that show.
Never watched American Idol?
No.
But you know the Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court and not the American
Yeah.
Idol?
Yeah. Is that Keanu Reeves?
No.
Okay.
No. So I'm wondering if the executive sous chef knows his civics as well as the ACLU members that you're feeding. What do you think?
It's a good question, possibly. I'll take the first one.
The first one. Sorry, it's this one here. But,
Oh.
but you were close. You were close. They kind of look alike, right?
My wife's gonna love me for this one. David Cook, baby. Rock and roll, man. Rock and roll.
Please identify the Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court.
There he is, that funny-looking one right there.
The funny-looking one. And what's his name? Do you know?
His name's Roberts, John Roberts.
John Roberts. Okay, very good. How's your pop culture?
Depending upon the pop.
Depending on the pop. Okay, well, this is pretty pop. Let's check it out. Please identify the American Idol. The American Idol.
Well, unfortunately, it's David Cook. It isn't this funny-looking little kid. All he ever did was grin. He sings pretty well, but the black girl sang a lot better, and she was much more dramatic, but they didn't want her.
So give me a review of the Supreme Court justices then.
If I were in there, I'd do much better.
So with all that trouble, sometimes a little American Idol is good for us. A little.
Well, they would have been better, yeah.
They would have been better.
Yeah, they'd at least be fair.
There
yeah.
you go.